Now that we have our strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries in our large pan, we're gonna come in with our cornstarch and we're gonna just do a nice little sprinkle of cornstarch on here. Now this is a lot of berries, so we need a lot of cornstarch, and I'm using all frozen berries. You can use fresh, but since we're using such large quantities, I wanted it to be a little bit more affordable. So we are just adding about that much. That looks perfect. Just a nice dusting on all the berries. I have my food grade gloves on, and now we're gonna toss all of these together. You can use a triple berry frozen blend because that's pretty much the same as what we're using, but we used 48 ounces of each berry, and we're just making sure that it all gets tossed in that cornstarch. We lost the strawberry, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it, but we wanna make sure that all the strawberries get intertwined with the blueberries and the raspberries and vice versa. But you can use whatever frozen fruit you like. You could use a peach, a cherry, or a pineapple. That looks like it is mixed well enough. We see all the berries distributed. I have my sugar cookie dough, and I'm using the pre-made sugar cookie dough, and we're gonna take out our cookie dough right here. I have some cinnamon sugar and a small bowl. We're gonna dump our cinnamon sugar in here. The cinnamon sugar is optional, but I saw this recipe on the internet and I thought it'd be so fun to try. We're gonna grab our sugar cookie dough. We're gonna kind of flatten it out just like so. And then we're going to toss it in our cinnamon sugar. And then once it's tossed in the cinnamon sugar, we are just gonna distribute our cookie dough evenly on top of our fruit. And I do have 2 packages of my sugar cookie dough since we're making such a large proportion, but you probably only need 1 if you're doing a standard 9x13. But we are just tossing all of these in there just like so. They're kind of separating, which is not a problem, but you can use whatever cookie dough you like. You could do a peanut butter cookie dough for like a PB&J style dessert. You could do chocolate chip if you like chocolate with your berries, but I personally don't like chocolate with my berries. So that's why I'm just doing the sugar cookie. Now that all of our cookie dough is smashed and covered in cinnamon sugar, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for 60 minutes. All right, we took this out of the oven and let it cool for about 20 minutes. It smells really good. And before we dig into this, I am going to scoop myself some vanilla ice cream. The best way to eat this is over some ice cream, so that's what we're gonna do. Obviously, I already broke into my ice cream, but I have plenty more, and we're just gonna grab a big scoop. I meant big scoop.
It's massive.
All right. And then we can go in with our spoon and get all those beautiful juices right on top of that ice cream. And there you go. Most delicious dessert. Oh, feeds a lot of people. Let's dig in.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. Yummy. So good with the ice cream. You have to try it.